marketing is not creativity. They're two completely different animals, because marketing should drive behavior and creativity should drive feeling. Marketing, I had to kind of plug the numbers into, okay, like if you create this nice piece, it doesn't matter how pretty it looks if it doesn't drive the right behavior. And so I got excited about marketing because realizing that, oh my gosh, the things that we do can have a measurable impact. It was fascinating. My name is Rohrer. I'm the CEO and founder of Aesthetic Immersion. So I cut my teeth in this industry working for Shinobe Aguilera. I was his executive assistant and kind of his brand designer for his training business. And then slowly his colleagues started saying, hey, I want a Jared. I want a Jared to do my marketing. And so I slowly learned how to do websites, and I learned how to do video editing and building marketing campaigns, and started gathering more and more clients to the point where I kind of needed to formalize this and turn it into a business. And that was back in 2018. Whenever I do a lecture, I always preface it by saying, hey, look, I am not here to deliver a lecture. I am not here to show you my slide deck. I'm here so that you get better. So if that means we stop on slide 2 and we talk for the next 20 minutes so that everybody in the audience gets what they need to win moving forward, that's what matters to me. The reason I give the lecture is so that the audience can take something and go apply it to their business right away.